add salmon shaker, the meat you can just push it first.
Thank you.